We are here today in this beautiful Inter-Terrace 999-year home at 6th Avenue. With a land size area of 2,054 square feet and a built-in area of 2,700 square feet over 2 levels, this house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a sizable kitchen. There's a dining, living, storage and laundry, and a balcony area. This home is at a prime District 10, just off Holland Road, and on the other side is Bukit Timah Road. The home is within 1 to 2 kilometer radius for Henry Park Primary, Methodist Girls' School and NanYang Primary. Let us take a look around. And my favorite part of this house is the jacuzzi. What a great way to unwind after a long day at work.